Hello everyone, how's going everything? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can outrank your competitor within 24 hours. It's true guys, you heard right. I'm going to show you how you can outrank your competitor within 24 hours by help of ChatGPT advanced data analysis. So basically what I did is I make a prompt, which is amazing, and I'll share with you guys this prompt as well. So I don't want to waste your time. I completed all of the tasks. So I just show you what I did in this video. So let's start. First, I here in ChatGPT, I use the advanced data analysis, and then I paste the prompt. Here is the prompt actually. So the prompt, if I talk about a little bit, talk about the prompt, it will analyze your competitor and your content, and it will give you a strategy to outrank your competitor. So I will give you this prompt, and then actually I paste the prompt here, and at the end of the prompt I say, do you understand? I'll give you my competitor content, which is ranked in the first position, and also got the feature snippet on Google, and I will give my content as well, which is ranked in the third position on Google for the keyword how to lose belly fat and gain muscle. Okay, so this is just for example, guys. It's not my content. It's not my website. I'll just show you for just example. Okay, so this is the keyword that I searched on Google, and actually I said here, then you will analyze and give me a detailed report. Okay, so I actually searched this keyword on Google, and I found this result. Okay, and this is the first. I found this website at the first position for this keyword, and I choose this website as my website. I will optimize this web page for to rank this keyword at the first position on Google. So I wanna outrank this content. Okay, so what I did basically, if I came to the come to the ChatGPT, and after pasting the prompt, it gives me what it will do for me. So then what I did, I upload two documents. The first one is my competitor content, and the second one is actually my content that I want to rank first position goal for my targeted keyword. Okay, and then I said to the ChatGPT, the first document is my competitor content, and the second document is my content. Now provide the analysis and strategic plan in a structured report format, complete with an executive summary, methodology, analysis, and strategic recommendation. Okay, and then it proceed, and first it finish the first document, which is my competitor content, and it gives me a preliminary observation, and it says that title and heading. The title is clear and likely contains the targeted keyword. Subheadings seems to be informative and might be optimized for such queries related to body recomposition. Content quality, the content is informative and seems to be structured in a way that adds value to the other readers, which is crucial for both user engagement and SEO. Citation of research, including reference to studies, may improve the trustworthiness of the content. So first, it gives me a preliminary observation of my competitor, and then next, it gave me the review of the second document, which represent my content, and then provide a comparative analysis. Okay, so, and then it gives me the preliminary observation of my content, the title and headings. The title, and it says the title is compelling and designed to grab attention, likely reflecting the targeted keyword. Subheadings may be aimed at guiding the reader through the content, which could be beneficial for user navigation and SEO. Okay, that's a good. It says that my headings and title are well, and content quality. The content appears to be actionable and provides strategic potential, making it highly engaging and available to readers. So it also says that the content quality is good. Visual elements, the mention of an image, suggest the use of multimedia, which can enhance user experience. So the content is good, but we wanna actually outrank our competitor, right? And then now it gave me comparative analysis. Okay, and in the comparative analysis, it says that the keyword optimization, both documents appear to target similar keyword related to body recomposition, with a focus on losing fat and gaining muscle. Okay, and the use of these keywords in titles and throughout the content seems well executed in both cases. So it says that the both website web page content is well optimized for the keyword and content depth and quality. The competitors document leverage research and studies, which may add to its authority. In contrast, my content provides practical advice and strategies, which can vary engaging for readers looking for actionable guidance and multimedia users. So it says that my content are also good as well. And now the interesting thing is, it gives me a strategic recommendation, and it is mind blowing. Uh, just keep watching, guys. And now it says that based on the analysis, here are some strategic action to consider for enhancing your content and SEO strategy. And first, incorporate authoritative research. Like your competitor, consider citing relevant studies or expert opinions to add value, add credibility. Okay, so actually, my competitors consider citing relevant studies. It gives a it's citing relevant studies and expert opinions, and it says that I also need to do this. Enhance user engagement and introduce interactive element or tools that can engage reader further, such as calculator for body fat percentage or personal meal plans, personalized meal plans. Okay, it's also said that this is mind blowing. You can't think like that. Okay, it says that introduce interactive elements or tools that can engage reader further, such as calculator for body fat percentage or personalized meal plans. Okay, which will make any content well optimized, okay, for user and search engine. Okay, then number three, optimize for features. Okay, structure content with clear, concise answer to common questions to increase the enhance of appearing in features. Okay, these three actually the mind-blowing analysis strategy that I like, and these four are general. Okay, general strategy. So, and what I did then, I said the ChatGPT, could you tell me where my computer incorporate authoritative research and tell me how and where I can do as well. And this is mind-blowing thing, guys. And now it gives me uh, where my competitor citing studies and research. Okay, it says that the computer content incorporates authoritative research in following ways. How? Citing studies and research findings. They reference studies and research directly, such as according to research. And in another studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Okay, I don't know that it's okay. We can see Control F, Control V, and it's really crazy, guys. So it's my computer actually cited this study of American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, which makes the content more trustworthy. Okay, so it's really amazing. And another it says that according to research. Okay, we will Control F. We'll see this. Yes, it has according to research. It's a cited research of a website. Okay, okay, as you can see the URL here. So this makes my computer content more trustworthy. Okay, and actually it will be very difficult to you to analyze all of these things. They're referring scientific suggestion statement like scientists suggest that body recomposition is possible. Okay, we can search this. Let's see. It has. Okay, as you can see here, science suggests that body recomposition is possible. What is my computer is referring scientific suggestion, which also makes my computer content trustworthy. Okay? So use meta-analysis data, mentioning meta-analysis from Journal of the American Medical Associations in conclusion of expert recommendation by noting as per fitness expert. Okay, this kind of words they are used, and it makes them apart from other content. Okay, and it is very difficult to find this kind of analysis, this kind of information in manual research, which is very difficult, I think. And now it is very easy to find to do this kind of analysis by ChatGPT. And I will give you the prompt. You can experiment this and specific recommendation from Health Institute. My computer actually the content refers specific dietary recommendation from the Nutritional Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, further stating the authoritative voice. Okay. So now the interesting thing is to incorporate authoritative research into your content. It says that how I can incorporate authoritative research into my content. Okay. This is very interesting, guys. You can just see this. References studies. Identify relevant studies from scientific journal or publication that support the point you are making. For example, if you discuss the benefits of high protein diet, you could cite the studies that show its effectiveness of weight loss and gain and muscle gain. Okay, and it says also that you can I can add code expert. Okay, reach out the site certified fitness professional or academics and include their insight or codes in your content. This is very amazing, guys. And I think if I optimize this in this way, I can outrank my competitor within 1 or 2 days. It will be very easy. Utilize the data from health organization. Okay, reference recommendation and guidelines from reputable organization like American Heart Association, the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, or other relevant bodies. Okay, and highlight concise statement. Okay, when scientific consensus exists on a topic, highlight this to show that the information you are providing align with the current scientific understanding. Okay, and now it says that where to incorporate research in my content. Actually, how I can and where I can incorporate research in my content. This is another interesting thing. In the introduction, it says use authoritative sources to establish the importance of the topic and to justify why it's worth the reader attention. Okay. In the body section, when providing advice or making claims, back them with reference to research. So it says that when I provide any advice or making plans, I need to back them up with reference to research. Okay. In the conclusion, refine the main points with summary of the scientific evidence. Slide bar or call out boxes. Feature interesting research, finding or expert tips in separate boxes to draw attention to them. And then what I said, I said, could you please tell me how I can optimize my existing content for feature snippet? I mean, tell me specifically which paragraphs or headings should I optimize and how. Give me the suggestion. This is very interesting, guys. I will, give you the. I'll share with you the chat. You can check out this chat, and that's it. It gives you, and now it says that optimize for feature snippet means structuring your content in a way that make it easy for search engine to extract and display as highlight snippet at the top of the search result. Feature snippets are often pulled from content that blah blah blah. Okay. First, it says identify question and answers. Look for a paragraph where you answering question that someone might type into a search engine. Okay. This include be clear, concise. Okay. Actually, it gives me how I can actually optimize for feature snippet. Okay. And now, based on the document of my content, here's how you might. It says how I can optimize a few sections. Like it gives me for the section titled "What is body compositions?" Start with a direct question that a user might search for, such as "What does body composition mean?" This is very good. Actually, it's telling me that I can start with a direct question that user might search for, such as "What does body composition mean?" So let's see, as it has in the content. Control F, Control V. Yes, guys, I found this. What is body composition? Okay, we can edit this and uh, and optimize for this question, like what does body composition mean? So amazing. Follow it immediately with one sentence answer that directly responds to these questions. For a section that provide tips or methods, such as here some foolproof ways to approach body recomposition and see success doing. Reframe, it says that to reframe this with h2 or h3, that is a question like how you can achieve body recomposition. Okay, it says that I wrote this in my content. Here are some foolproof ways to approach body recomposition and see success doing so, but I don't use any headings for this. Let's find out. Yes, guys, here actually this content, I found this, and ChatGPT suggests me instead of a general paragraph, I can use H2 or H3. That is a question like how can you achieve body recomposition, which is very good analysis and very good strategy. And then for actionable advice or steps such as Exercise recommendation. Use heading like steps to lose fat and build muscle simultaneously, and list the steps in a numbered format directly below. Okay, it says that for actionable advice or steps such as exercise recommendation, I can use heading like steps to lose fat and build muscles simultaneously. Okay, guys, this is another amazing thing that I can do. And it says that list the steps in a numbered format directly below. So that's all, guys. You can use this prompt. I will share with you this in the description below. So and the chat history as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel for getting more updates and strategies like this. So bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.